As a student, I love seeing other students work. I feel like that gives me extra motivation to study. As a teacher, I love seeing your work. Whether you are sharing your work for challenges that I host, such as the Let's Write Chinese Characters Challenge, or you are studying Chinese using videos and resources from AL Language Cafe, I love to see photos of your work, or maybe just you studying. I will show you 2 ways to share your photos with me. And if you give me permission, I would love to share your work or photos on social media. But that is only if you feel comfortable. You can simply just show it to me if you prefer that. Method 1. You can upload your photos to file sharing platforms such as Google Drive or Dropbox. In this tutorial, I will show you the steps using Google Drive. First, go to drive.google.com. Then, drag and drop the photo that you want to share. You can see the uploading status right here. Now it's done. Then click on the image. Then click on the share icon right here. Click on the arrow key next to restricted. Then click on anyone with the link. Copy link. Then simply send the link to me and I'll be able to see the photo. Method 2. Send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Chinese Mandarin Cafe. When you're on my profile page, tap Message. Then down here, you will see this little photo icon. Tap that. Then select the photo that you want to share. Tap Send. And voila, now you have sent me a photo.